The roots of private investigators can be traced back to 1749, originally founded in the UK under the name of the Bow Street Runners, which was initially created by the magistrate Henry Fielding. This group consisted of 6 members in the city of Westminster, which disbanded in 1839, and members merged with the Metropolitan Police. Despite this, the organization was never fully recognized. They operated funded by retainers to deal with the rampant post-war crime rates. The first officially recognized private investigator was a Frenchman named Eugene Francois Vidocq, born in 1775. He was regarded as a prominent figure in the criminalist field, some even crowning him the forefather of criminalists, and given his prior offending background also regarded as a criminal. Vidocq's life story inspired many successful writers such as Victor Hugo, Edgar Allan Poe, and Honoré de Balzac. He was the founder and director of the French CID, Sûreté Nationale. Vidocq also helped to establish private investigator agencies across Europe. It is believed that the first ever recognized PI agency was the Office of Information, le Bureau des Renseignements, in 1833. The U.S. also had advancements in this area of work during this period, such as Alan Pinkerton, a Scotsman born in 1819, who created the Pinkerton National Detective Agency in 1850. Pinkerton remains a subsidiary of the Swedish Securitas AB as of 1999, operating on a global scale. The agency has a controversial background, from being hired to prevent labor protesters during these periods, and with the influx of inhabitants which were brought to run paper mills and such, it was deemed that the agencies must be localized to deal with criminal behavior. Thus came the formation of the Bow Street Runners, and with this formation came change to England and Wales' judicial system. In 1829, Sir Robert Peel introduced the system, which brought around the first detective agency in the UK, the Garnier's Detective Agency. Arguably, the most groundbreaking technological development that has completely reshaped the work of private investigators in the past 100 years would be the Internet itself, along with devices such as computers, tablets, smartphones, and cloud storage services. These inventions make the investigative work of the PI much easier, allowing them to work remotely, to use software to collect evidence from an individual's devices, cloud storage, and to collect more thorough evidence in the process. Archiving evidence is much more efficient and long-standing, with plentiful resources to recover lost files and media in locally accessible archives, for example, the Internet Archive, founded in 1996. Another pivotal discovery through time would be trace evidence, which was founded by Edmond Locard, a French criminologist in the 19th century. Coined as Locard's exchange principle, it set the way for the forensic and criminalist field. The notion that a criminal will both take and leave a part of themselves at crime scene allowed for detectives to match evidence found at crime scenes to the perpetrators. Examples include fingerprints, footprints, soil, DNA, blood, glass fragments, and much more. This advancement has made the job of the modern PI much easier to identify potential culprits.